So it is 11:30 at night on Saturday. We have 5 more nights after this to get the car ready. Paint tomorrow, so I'm really excited about that. Can't wait to get rid of this bloody eyesore. Let's see how we go. It's been absolutely pissing down today. First coat's going down. The car looks unbelievable. I'm stoked with it. Bed at like 3:30. Night before was like 3 o'clock. So gonna give myself 2 hours extra sleep I think tonight. Alright guys, so today is Saturday. Today I decided that I wasn't going to film as much because I had a bit of an all over the place day today. This morning I came in and I finished the seat rails for the seat. The seat is 100% bolted in now and I'm happy with the position. Come out really good, I'm really happy with it and where it sits. Nice and low. As you saw, we actually cut out the old seat bracket and support that goes through here along the chassis. And we've made our own, plated it, and yeah, it would have added some strength to the car, that's for sure. For the passenger side, I'm probably just I won't do the same thing, it just takes too much time. There's a good 2, 3 hours, 4 hours in doing that job like that and doing it properly, so I'm just going to leave that for now, and we'll just get the other seat in, we'll just make it fit the original mounts. I've just got this dash out of storage. Cool little memento. My very first drift car, my R32 Skyline. If you guys didn't know, I had an R32 Skyline with an RB20 back when I originally first started drifting, and this is actually the dash out of that car. So it's cool to have parts in storage from so long ago. Like, geez, that'd be like 7 years ago this dash that I originally got this. So yeah, it's cool that I can finally use it. I didn't even intend on keeping it. My parents moved house earlier this year and we were cleaning out the shed there. This got found and I said don't throw it out because you never know, one day we might need it or I can sell it. It doesn't have any cracks in it, so turns out I do need it. I've got it for this car now, so we're going to keep that dash alive and put it into this car. It's not really a priority right now. The car is going for paint tomorrow, it is confirmed. So yeah, we've got a big day tomorrow. So I've just moved my 34 out of here. As you can see, we have a lot more room now. And I've been halfway through cleaning up. I just thought I'd fill you guys in quickly. We're going to put the front end back together and get it rolling. And then, yeah, we got some pretty bad weather coming for the next few days. So that's why I've moved the 34 out. I've put it in our other garages. And yeah, we're going to turn the car more on its side. Obviously, I need to use the bender. And if it's what I was going to do and what I normally do is I just park whatever car I'm working on out the front here and then I pull the bends on that side. So now that it's going to be raining this week, I can't do that. We're meant to have 50 mil of rain tomorrow, so yeah, we're making a change in plans. I need to clear out all this stuff, obviously still get the car back together, get it on the ground, move it over, and then yeah, we're going to start. I can't obviously bend the bars tonight. It just depends how I feel, I guess, but it's already 9 o'clock at night, so we need to, yeah, just keep going what we can. I'm going to get it rolling for tomorrow, and then I'll have a look around, see what else we can do tonight. Probably won't pull any benders tonight, because by the time I set up the bender and stuff, it's going to be really late, and I don't want to cut too late, because I don't want to upset the neighbours. So, we'll just go on with other stuff that we can, maybe make some mounts for the dash and stuff like that, because obviously we are going to have to do that at some point. We're just got to keep ticking off the list of things to do, but obviously I want to try and do the things that are more of a priority. But yeah, paint tomorrow, so I'm really excited about that. Can't wait to get rid of this bloody eyesore. It looks terrible with this bloody paint, so can't wait. Yeah, let's see how we go. Alright guys, so it is 11:30 at night on Saturday. We have 5 more nights after this to get the car ready, so I'm putting the hours in even more now. We have got the dash in, so obviously we're going to paint tomorrow, and I need to get all the dirty messy jobs and stuff like that out of the way and done before it gets painted inside and outside. Obviously don't want to scratch it up or anything like that, so I'm trying to get the hard work done now so I don't have to do it once it's painted. So I've put the dash in and cut it all up to get it to fit. I can't believe how long that took. Normally a dash isn't too bad, but the way this roll cage is done, I had to cut a lot out of the dash, which you'll see in my video. As you can see, there's a big hole there, and it looks horrible, so I'm going to have to make a plate or something there. But with the angle that the roll cage goes on, this physically can't fit in there without having that sort of hole there. So we'll fill that up anyway, it doesn't matter. But the reason why the dash, you're probably wondering why is the dash going in right now when the car's not even running. It's because my wiring guy is coming out during the week. I want to have that set up and ready to go for him perfect, so that way when he gets here he can just get in and do it. Not only that, I don't want to have the roll cage painted and have it looking immaculate and then be throwing a dash in and out 100 times trying to cut it and get it fit. So I want to get everything in there, make everything to fit. So we've got to make a switch panel and stuff as well after this. Once we make the switch panel and everything, we'll just rip it all out, and then when he comes through during the week, we can put it all in and we don't have to stress, it's already done. So like I said guys, it's just a time thing. When you build a car like this, you're going to pull things in and out 100 times. When it's over 3 or 4 months or however long you normally take to build a car, it's not too bad. We have to take things in and out, but doing it as many times as we have to in 8 days is bloody draining. I'm emotionally and mentally wrecked. We have done like 15-hour days every day this week, and yeah, hopefully we can get it done in time because we've put so many hours in. But it's looking good now when you can see the car with a dash and a seat, and obviously we don't have the motor in there yet. We're getting the motor back on Monday, so everything's going to be all go. So we'll get it painted tomorrow, make it look nice, finally not look like an eyesore, and yeah, hopefully from here it's all looking up and we can just start getting this together. I can't wait. So hope you guys are enjoying the content, guys. That's how you do a dash in like 4 hours. Alright guys, so we got the car rolling. We had a really late night last night. We finished at 3 AM. We've got the trailer. The weather has turned. It's absolutely pissing down. I'm soaked. We're just going to get this car on the trailer and then we're going to paint. So it's been a bit of a shit morning, but we'll get it done and we'll be on the way. We are down at my friend's paint shop. He is painting the car today. We've got a bit of work ahead. We've got to prep the car, sand it back, paint it. It's been absolutely pissing down today, so we need to try and dry the car completely before we obviously paint it. So the weather's definitely made our job a lot harder. But yeah, it's in there, so I'll take you in there now and you guys can have a look, and I'll try and show you a bit of the process as we go. But obviously there's a lot of hours involved, so I don't know how much I'm going to capture. But yeah, let's see how we go. I can't wait to see it. see guys, we're still sanding. We're onto the bumpers and the over fenders. Yeah, we're just going to keep going. I don't have any more memory cards with me, so I've only got 30 minutes left, so I'm not going to keep videoing the sanding. You guys get the idea. I'll start recording when we start getting it ready to go in the booth, so see you guys soon. Alright guys, so we're finishing the last bit of prep work. We've just been sanding this for hours. We're just waiting for this stuff in here to dry. As soon as that's done, we will be pulling this car into the booth and yeah, obviously prepping it, mask it up, get it ready for paint. But as you can see, we've got a lot of panels to do. Alex is just finishing it off now. Turned out that the front was actually plastic dip, so we've had to get thinners and take it fully out. And then yeah, now we're sanding it again. So it took a little bit longer than we wanted, but we're getting there now. The car is finally in the booth, guys. Can't wait. It's been a long, big day. As you can see, we've been rubbing and preparing the car all day, and yeah, to finally see it in the booth, it's so good. Wait for it to come out when it finishes so you know what colour we're going, but yeah, I can't wait to see it. It's going to transform the car and make it look awesome, so hopefully you guys are enjoying. We'll catch up with you guys soon. So the car is prepped, ready to go, all masked up. We're literally just going to mix up the paint and we're laying it down. We're finally going to do it. 7:14 right now, so it's been a big day, but it's finally there. It's time to get some paint on this thing. Can't wait to see what it's going to look like. So last time it's going to look like a freaking turd, that's for sure. So let's see how it comes out.
In my mouth double as a freeze rate. The grills in my mouth double as a freeze rate. The grills in my mouth double as a freeze rate. The grills in my mouth double as a freeze rate. The grills in my mouth double.
So red. So we have just got home, we've just unloaded the car, I've just wiped it down. It was absolutely bucketing down the way home. I was actually really nervous. We just spent all day prepping this car and painting it, and then we let it cool down, we let it bake, we let it set, and then I literally took a brand new freshly painted car straight out into the rain and brought it home. We've got a big egg in our trailer tyre, made it hard to get home, had to let the air down and drive real slow to get home. We made it home. The car looks unbelievable, I'm stoked with it. Obviously, for what the car was, you guys saw it before, it was in pretty average condition. To see how it is now, it looks absolutely amazing. So I'm going to take you guys for a little walk around now so you can have a look. I know I already showed you guys with it in the booth, but it looks absolutely amazing. I can't wait to get the rest of the body kit on and get everything finished. It's going to look absolutely crazy. I've got some ideas with giving it a little bit of style, so I can't wait to show you that. And yeah, let's check out the new paint job. Hope you guys like it because I absolutely love it. I love how different it is. I've got my vision in my mind of what it's going to look like. It obviously doesn't have the body kit or anything on it yet, so you have to bear with me, guys. But I hope this car comes out the way I'm picturing it in my mind. I've obviously, you guys can slowly start seeing the style that I'm going for. But yeah, I've got a full body kit and O-fenders and everything for it. And I can't wait to get it together and show you guys what I'm going to do because, yeah, it's going to be a little bit different to all my usual cars. But yeah, it's a style I've wanted to go with for a little while. And obviously because it's a fun practice car, I don't have any commitments to any championships or anything at the moment. So I can put whatever style I want in the car and have my own stickers and everything on it. And yeah, I can't wait to show you guys what it's going to look like. So I'm going to stop talking. It's 1 o'clock in the morning. Tomorrow we're going to get into this and we're going to sort this car out and we're going to start putting it together. And yeah, we've got a long way to go, but it's time to look like a car and I can't wait. So hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We've got like 4 nights left now until we can go to Collie. So we're going to have to get working. 4 days is going to go very fast. So like I said, guys, hope you enjoy. We'll see you guys tomorrow.